All right, everybody. So got this RYOBI 40 volt 15-inch trimmer. So like I said, this takes the 40 volt battery back there. It does come with the charger, which is pretty cool. So this is a small charger it comes with, which is nice. And then I got this because I can use the same battery with my lawnmower that I got. Here's the guard right here, and then it's got the cutter right here for the line. And then here's where the attachment goes into place, right down here. As you can see, just snaps into place there. And then you tighten it with that knob. Here's the handle that you got to put on yourself. And there's the bottom of it where the line feeds and everything. And then the battery is in that box there. So just wanted to show you this real quick before I start using it. Here's the instruction manual. But looking forward to using this and being able to have this charger to use for my other battery also. So I can have two chargers going, which is nice. Here's your trigger right here to start the trimmer once you have the battery in. So, but that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this real quick before I use it for the first time.